How to download Pinterest videos to your gallery. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So to do it, you have to log into your Pinterest account. You have to enter your account address. For example, let me just enter the address. Then I'm going to tap next. So after tapping onto next, okay, let's tap on the 01. Let's wait. Let me go to another account. For example, this one. Now I am gonna search up for Pinterest. Then I'm gonna log into Pinterest. So just tap on it. So that's it. Now you have to find up a video to download from here. Let's enter the budget. Then just create an account. So that's it. Now you have to search up a video to Pinterest. Let me log into Pinterest. Now you have to choose things that you want to download. Then you have to continue your feeds. So that's it. Now just search up for a video at your search for search bar. Now here you can see this option, share options. From here you can share if you want to, and by clicking onto this three dot icon you can download them very easily. Just tap onto this and you can download those images. So this is how you can do it. Just simply tap onto download image and it will start downloading, as you can see. So that's it. And if this video is helpful, let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video. You can also tap onto it and you can tap onto save video frame as this, and there we go. Now you can see the video frame of here. So see you in another video.